So we are here in Burbank. This is the end result. We had to waterproof this perimeter and install a drainage system. We also installed surface drainage. We concreted the area, connected all the rain gutter downspout into a system. Over here by the back, sliding door. We also excavated, we waterproofed to install this beautiful channel drain. We diverted all the water to the channel drain here. You can see here we did the same. Waterproof the area, concrete, install the channel drain. Those two are connected to the rain gutter downspout. The line is running here. There's a catch basin to catch some water that collect in this area, and everything is heading to this beautiful sump pump pit. It's a 3x3 by I would say approx 6 feet 7 feet deep. You can see there's a pump over there with a float. We have the electric line, we have the discharge line that goes all the way to the street. This is the metal grade. It can hold up to 450 pounds. Amazing.